This is number 5 off of the review examples, or this is like number 5 on the review. So describe the transformation used on figure B to get to figure Q. So if we look, we have figure P and figure Q. Now, first thing you see is that point right there is over here. So it's not just moved or translated. You could take your patty paper or notebook paper or whatever you are going to use. Remember, turn your brightness up, and so turn your brightness up and then put your paper on top. I'm going to mark my y-axis. I'm going to mark my x-axis. Now notice it's not this first one that says just translate. That doesn't work, so that one's out. Now we're going to try to reflect over the y-axis. Remember, this is the y-axis. So it would be like I was folding it over. Let me kind of do it. So it'd be like, sorry, that was a funny noise. I sounded like Chewbacca. But so it would be like that, or you could just flip it over and flip it this direction so that the y-axis is still on the y-axis, just like that. So notice that one works. So that's actually our correct one. But again, this is the review. These are examples for the test, so it might not actually be a reflection over the y-axis. It could be over the x, or it could be rotated. So let's do all of them to practice. So reflect over the x-axis. So that means I'm going to reflect down. So reflect over the x-axis means it flips down. Rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise. Remember, counter is going backwards around the clock. So I'm going to take it, put my marker on that point, and then rotate this direction. Well, that didn't work either. So those ones are both out. Okay, now number 6 with our little clouds.